Welcome to Second Chance Garage. Okay, that is my Cub Cadet mower. That's what I got it stripped down to, and I'll show you why. This here is the seat flipped upside down, and it just bolts to right in here. I had to take linkage loose off of down here, which these are the linkage that attaches. Okay, now keep in mind it's facing upside down, and the reason why I had to do this was because see how this rod right here is attached here, and it runs all the way down to here, which is your pivot shafts for your zero turn. Okay, this is the other side. Okay, I don't know. Whoops. Okay, this is the shaft it hooks to that's bent. See, it's supposed to be straight like this one is. So this shaft is bent, and then this is actually supposed to go backwards and bent over to there. But that whole thing snapped off, as you can see. I might be able to see. That whole thing snapped off. And what caused that, I have no idea. Probably old age. So now I have to disconnect. I gotta take this and bend it straight. That gives you a better idea how bad it's bent, because we're looking straight down on it. Then take this loose and go get a new one of these, and take this loose here. Yeah, it's gonna be fantastic. Then there's all this wiring, and it's got holes in the side of the seat base here, right here, that half of these wires were running out one side, half was running out the other side. I had to disconnect the throttle cable off of the back of the motor, which is right there, to pull it out. I had bolts back here all the way around, and one right, there's actually one right there. There's the ear. Disconnect all the wiring, feed it through the holes to get it to go underneath the seat. Yeah. But it's coming along. And these are the linkages that I had to disconnect. So anyway, I had taken it about half apart. I had seen what the problem was in there, but getting to it was a bear. So I just kind of put it on the back burner. But I decided, well, tonight I'd come out and kill an hour or so working on it, and I wound up spending about 2 hours working on it. Got it down to there, figured out, I knew what the problem was. And so now I just gotta straighten it out and get some parts. It's a Cub Cadet. My dad gave it to me. He had rebuilt the transaxles in it, I think 3 years ago. And then he went and bought a new one, gave me this one. And so now I have to disassemble all this because I don't know. So anyway, that's what I've been doing. So I was thinking with it, I got the deck off. It's sitting over there. So anyway, I just thought I'd give you a heads up of what I was doing, and if you like it, subscribe. I didn't show doing it because it was going to be a long, tedious, drug out process. So anyway, when I put it together, I'll probably show a video how I'm putting it back together and how everything hooks up. But anyway, if you like it, subscribe. Uncle Russ, Second Chance Garage, out.